lid margin away from the globe is known as ectropion. Understood? Main types are acquired, involutional or senile, sacrificial, paralytic, mechanical, congenital. You can see the lid margins are rolled out. Yet we have not talked about the symptoms of either entropion or ectropion. We will discuss them after some time. Senile ectropion, because of it develops as a result of laxity of the suspensory system of the lower lid and the medial and lateral canthal ligaments. This laxity is accompanied by a horizontal lid lengthening of the lid. When we age, you know that skin becomes loose and lax. Same is the case with the lower eyelid, and lower eyelid is very delicate, and it becomes loose and redundant more earlier than the other parts of the body, like our biceps. Okay, so this is its cause, and the treatment is to address this problem. And how? We will have to cut the extra skin, the loose skin, and the margins will go back to their original position. It is also a cosmetic surgery. Retropunctal cautery. Retropunctal cautery is one of the procedures for the treatment of ectropion. This is the eyelid margin, and it is everted outward. It is called. अभी मैं आपसे बात पूछ रहा हूँ, आप लोग से हैं वो शायद कह रहे होंगे कि ये तो आसान चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन मैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई एक्सपीरियंस एग्जाम के अंदर आप बिल्कुल भूल जाते हैं कि ectropion क्या है, ectropion क्या है. तो ये वर्जन इज ectropion. So what we do, this is the conjunctiva. We apply थर्मल कॉटरी पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, उर्दू में जिसे बोलते हैं गरम, इंग्लिश का समझाने के लिए बोलते हैं गरम सिलाई. विद टॉपिकल एनेस्थेटिक लाइक प्रोपेराकेन, we after instilling the proparacaine, with the help of the cautery we cauterize the everted part of the eyelid. In fact, we are producing a burn in anticipation that when it will contract and it will cause fibrosis, the lid margin will come back to its original position. And it happens. It's very easy, handy, and cost-effective method for mild ectropion. समझ आइए? कि जब हमारे पास जब काटी नहीं होती तो हम आम कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेकर उसको लाइटर के ऊपर गर्म करके वो उससे भी करते हैं. Medial conjunctivoplasty. Medial conjunctivoplasty. Surgical treatment in mild to moderate ectropion lazy T procedure or its modification, and in severe cases, especially its lateral half falls away with little laxity of the lateral canthal ligaments. It is a difficult word. A Cohen-Zimnowski procedure. Cohen-Zimnowski S7 procedure is performed. I will tell you only about medial conjunctivoplasty. This is the everted lid. Okay, this is nose. This is my right eye. So this is the right eye. Medial conjunctivoplasty. We cut cubical shape part of conjunctiva and a little bit of tarsus plate. And the basic intention and our theme is same like pottery, that when we will cut it and we will suture it, there will be fibrosis and there will be mechanical what you will say, mechanically it will be pulled inward back to its original position. Okay. The third procedure is very difficult. Conrad-Zimnowski procedure, paralytic ectropion. Attendance होगी? अब जरा याद करें कि उसमें what was in ectropion? It was spastic. Yes. It is opposite to spastic, paralytic. Here comes the facial nerve. Right? Here comes the facial nerve, commonly caused by paralysis of facial nerve, also called Bell's palsy, जिसे लकवा बोलते हैं. Parotid surgeries, traumas, and tumors such as acoustic neuroma. Initial management is conservative, such as taping of the eyelids, lubricants. In severe cases, lash or chalk spread is indicated. Long-standing cases with laxity and shocking of the eyelids with reactive cancer immunization is required sometimes. Cicatricial ectropion is commonly the result of burns, trauma, and chronic inflammation of skin which shorten the anterior area. For example, किसी को यहाँ पर कोई तेजाब लग गया या कोई ऐसी कोई ट्रॉमा हो गया, रोड ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट हो गया, यहाँ पर स्कारिंग होगी तो वो मैकेनिकली पुल कर देगा. It will be ectropion. Congenital ectropion, just like congenital ectropion, it is developed, maldeveloped